Cock and ball torture. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Try Not to Laugh. Holy shit, my hand. Yeah, I got that person to make me another collection, and so now I am actually doing a Try Not to Laugh challenge. Okay, before this video starts, however, if you noticed on the channel, you will no longer find any older videos. There was a reason for that. I decided to send them all to private because I'm literally going to be playing all the games I've done on this channel again. Better editing, better style, stuff like that. The green screen's still gonna be a fuck ton of fuckery, of course. I can't change that unless I get a better equipment and a better, office, seeing as how my entire office is literally just my closet here. Right here, this looks great. This right here, even with the little fuzziness, it looks great. Right here, in real life, it does not look great whatsoever. It looks quite awful. I'm literally trying my hardest to just record and be here. But anyways, I have taken the liberty to change a few things, and you know what? We're just gonna start. Oh no, that's nice. Oh. Oh no, I can already feel the issue here. Oh no 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 no. No, not this.
Making two old friends realize that life is too short.
Is that a banana cream pie?
It's a banana cream pie. Surprise.
What's the surprise?
You're adopted.
Ah, okay, I see the issue. Ow, that hurts. A lot. That strains my cheeks, man. Like, bruh. But,
You're adopted.
Fuck is up, Kyle?
wait! That wasn't a laugh. I swear that wasn't a laugh. That was a wheeze. Not a laugh. What the wait, hold on. I wasn't able to get enough time.
Fuck is up, Kyle?
Wait.
Fuck is up, Kyle?
Oh my god.
Fuck is up, Kyle?
I'm not given enough time to think of what just happened. Okay.
You said you could do better, Rabbit. Then do. Okay, you insist.
I'm still not. I think they understand my humor. They're attacking me at the part where I'm going to laugh because I love it when they're either perfectly cut or they're loud. If they're loud, I'm gonna laugh. If they're perfectly cut, I'm gonna laugh. And that.
You said you could do better, Rabbit. Then do. Okay, you insist.
You make me many.
Wait, what was that?
You make me many.
Dude who got a 1600 on his SAT. I am the smartest kid in school. The kid who knows Obama's last name. Kid who can read enchantment table. Dude, I have a friend like that. Kid who knows Joe. Wait, I have a friend like that. I have a friend who can actually read enchantment table. Huh. Sorry, someone is in here right now.
Sorry, someone is in here right now. Sorry, someone is in here right now. Sorry, someone is in here right now.
Come in.
Oh, there was a vein bulging out. Oh my god.
Here right now. Sorry, someone is in here right now. Sorry, someone is in here right now.
Come in.
Come in. I thought he was gonna point at me. Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. When did this go to a hentai? Ah! I wasn't ready for the manly scream. Wait. Oh God. Oh no, no, not it. Oh, oh no, 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 not me like that.
Wait! Don't hurt him! Wait! Don't hurt him!
How did you get these? From a drone. How did you get these? From a drone. Oh. And do you spy on us with that? Yes. So, have you seen me, Yes, and it's disgusting.
Wait. Whoa, was this actually in the damned movie? Wait, no, no.
How did you get these? From a drone. Oh. And do you spy on us with that? Yes. So, have you seen me, Yes, and it's disgusting.
Kid comes out of the closet and parents flip.
I'm coming out of the closet.
I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna fucking happen.
Also, I'm a gay.
I like how this faggot here happens to. I mean, that's legit. I like how he happens to say, not I'm gay. No, he says I'm a gay. Like it's another being. That does not count. Wait, that was a wheeze. Oh. Oh! Oh! What? That's not freaking funny! Holy shit, my ears! Uncool. Oh God, what's... No, 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 no! What's happening here? Imagine the fucking teacher just like, what the fuck is this kid doing? What the? I would be like thoroughly confused. Oh no.
I don't know where Jimmy's at. No. What's up, nigga? What?
Oh. Oh. I I totally thought that was something else for a moment there. No, no. That was so stupid. Why did I They're not toys, okay? Oh, fuck you, teacher. Just let him have some
Hey,
fun.
put some socks on.
Hold on.
Hey, put some socks on you.
Wait, where did the popcorn come from? I know he had some in his hand, but I know he did not have that fucking much.
Hey, put some socks on.
Yeah, that does not look like that much.
Hey, put some socks on you.
Was that all the video? Are you shitting me? I was on the second to last one. Oh, fuck me, man. I gotta get more. Man, I think... Oh, of course, it goes to the one I laughed at. Fuck you. Oh, shit, that's not cool. I was so close. Oh, fuck, I need more. This one. What the fuck, alright? Imagine, I see myself as the teacher. Just like turning around and seeing this fucker just go, yeet. I mean, look at this teacher. This teacher's starting to turn around. He's like, the fuck? And as he's falling, this teacher's like, oh no, what's happening? And like the kids around the guy slamming on the table, they're just like, and this teacher's just like, what the fuck?
Wait, don't hurt him.
Okay. This one would have gotten me if it weren't for the fact that it was so damn
Wait,
surprising.
don't hurt him.
And this one, right there, right here, I started to chuckle a bit. I was like, that's kind of funny. And then it's just her scream, her manly fucking scream. Oh, and this one. Don't get me started. Okay, this is the same way. If it wasn't so damn surprising, I probably would have laughed.
You said you could do better, Rabbit. Turn it down. Okay, you insist.
And this one was the exact same fucking way. It was just the fucked up, Kyle. This one made me wheeze. I've had a lot of wheezing part. I wheezed a lot, but I didn't laugh until that one video where the guy was fucking. Oh my god, I am this one. You're adopted.
You're adopted.
Long story short, I really like doing these kind of things. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to do it. I try not to laugh ever because I don't laugh at much. I don't laugh at much. What the fuck? Because most of the media today that would make me laugh happen to be images like memes. This though, this was a nice collection. This is a nice source. I like this source. I'm gonna keep getting crap from them because they seem to be tickling my funny bone. Wherever the hell it is, I can't find it. Oh my god, I fucking found it. Oh my fucking Christ. I'm dying. Oh no. Oh no. I'm dying. Ah, my keyboard. Ah, my nose. Ah, my foot. Ah! I know I have a few videos in the works. Like, I have the Hello Neighbor Hide and Seek, part 2 already edited. I don't have a lick of the Minecraft Season 2 series edited. I have 2 episodes recorded, and I haven't recorded since then. I'm thinking of doing the Terraria soon. I might go ahead and do Terraria. I might record about an hour's worth and then. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Like right now. But with that, I'm gonna call it this video. I hope you all enjoyed this second try not to laugh challenge. If I get another bundle of these videos again, I will totally come back. Or if you want me to, if I can get permission from my source, I might actually combine 5 episodes worth of these videos and into one try not to laugh challenge, and then I'll like send it send it to YouTube and be like, hey, try not to laugh at the try not to laugh challenges at the try not to laugh videos that were in my that were in the challenges I took. And I would love to see you guys' faces about that. Holy shit! I cannot talk. Sally sells seashells at the seashore. Sally sells seashells at the seashore. Sally sells seashells at the seashore. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. 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 Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck. Motherfucker! You see, I lost it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Whatever part is coming your way. It might be the part 2. It might be hell. It might be the Minecraft series. It might be the Terraria one. Hell, it may even be Among the Sleep. Cock and ball torture.